Hey guys, Noah here. This is a 52-inch Aircool Hugger ceiling fan. This is one of the first ceiling fans I ever bought at Habitat. It's on a solid state control. I'll do factory speeds first. Set this to high. So here's low. So yeah, I've had this fan for a very long time. It was actually stored under my bed for close to 6 years maybe. Obviously only loud because it's on solid state. Bearings could be better. Here's high. Pretty decent fan. Yeah, this fan was made in 1988, I believe. So, yeah. We'll stop it. It's in pretty decent shape. I really like the cane on it. Start low setting. It's just a dog whining about something. It's not too loud on solid state. About an 8 turn. Kind of not using the tripod as much because, well, one, I want to get more angles. Going on and off the tripod's kind of inconvenient. And two, it's a pain in the butt to set up sometimes. So yeah. Eighth turn. Yeah, so that Habitat is actually my local one before they moved locations. They had my CEC Georgian that I now have, the 36-inch white 303D model, and they had 3 of these. I bought 2 of them, one of them in which I sold, I think, years ago. So yeah. And it actually came with these pull chains, and I was very delighted to find that I still had one because I didn't even know this was under my bed still. I actually have to hurry up because I don't have a lot of storage left. Hi. Anyway, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed.